Assalamu alaikum. Welcome all to Easy Human Anatomy channel. In this video I discuss teratology. Teratology is the study of abnormal development. It is the branch of science that study the cause, mechanism, pattern of abnormal development. It explains the abnormal development of fetus. Teratogens. They are the substance that may cause birth defect via a toxic effect on an embryo or fetus known as the teratogen. Few examples: thalidomide, mercury, alcohol, lead, cigarette smoking. What do you mean by the congenital anomaly? They are the structural abnormality of any type that present at birth. 4 clinically significant type of anomaly. Malformation occur during organogenesis caused by the environmental factor and genetic factor, or environmental or genetics. Disruption, morphological alteration of already formed structure due to destructive process. For example, amniotic band. So part of the already formed structure of embryo or fetus is scarred due to the amniotic bond. Here the developmental process, there is no abnormality in the developmental process, but due to external cause the part of the embryo is lost. Deformation, mechanical force that mold a part of the fetus, clapfoot. Here also there is no abnormality in the developmental process, but due to the mechanical force apply on already formed fetus, part of the fetus is structure of the part of the fetus is changed. Dysplasia, abnormal organizations of the cell, congenital ectodermal dysplasia. Here the abnormal there is abnormality in the differentiations of the cell. The cause of birth defect or congenital anomaly are genetic factors such as chromosomal abnormality, environmental factor such as drug and virus, multifactorial inheritance, both genetics and environmental factor. Genetic factor such as chromosomal abnormality. Chromosomal abnormality are two types, numerical and structural. These are the few examples of numerical structural chromosomal abnormality causes congenital anomaly. Trisomy Down syndrome. Here 21 chromosome, there is extra 21 chromosome. So in this fetus contain 21 chromosome. Klinefelter syndrome 47XXY. This fetus contain 1 extra X chromosome. Monosomy Turner syndrome 45X. This fetus contain lack of 1 X chromosome. Structural chromosomal abnormality, loss of the part of the chromosome or duplications or translocation of part of the chromosome causes so many congenital anomaly. The two examples here, Prader-Willi syndrome and Cry-to-Chet syndrome. Infectious agent, rubella virus causes cataract, heart defect. HIV virus causes growth retardation. Physical agents like X-ray causes spina bifida and cleft palate. Chemical agents, smoking causes growth retardation. Alcohol, fetal alcoholic syndrome, mental retardation. Thalidomide causes limb defect. There is a lot of drug and chemical agents and physical agents present. There is a here we discuss few example. Hormonal, maternal diabetes causes heart and neural tube defect. Multifactorial inheritance, both genetics and environmental factor causes cleft lip neural tube defect. So principle of teratology. First, susceptibility to teratogenesis depend on the genotype of the conceptus. So already we discussed, if there is a abnormal chromosome number or abnormal structure of chromosome present within the fetus, it causes congenital anomaly. Susceptibility to the teratogens varies with the developmental stage of at the time of exposure. So this is the embryo. This is the pregnancy. We divide the whole pregnancy in different parts: germinal period, period of organogenesis. So this period of organogenesis from 3rd week to 8th week, this period is most sensitive period for the fetus, because most of the organ system is developed here. So if any mother is exposed to a chemical to a teratogen at that particular period of pregnancy, then the outcome is congenital anomaly. The manifestation abnormal development depend on the dose and duration of exposure. Dose is small dose, small effect, and duration of the exposure is also important. Is the durations of exposure is longer, the outcome is congenital anomaly. So teratogens act in specific way when developing cell to initiate abnormal embryogenesis. So manifestation of abnormal development may be death, malformation, growth retardation, and functional disorder. Male median teratogenesis is also important. If male is exposed of cigarette smoking, lead or mercury exposure, the abortion, low birth weight, and birth defect is occur. The advanced paternal errors also cause some congenital anomaly, like in case limb defect, neural tip defect, and Brown syndrome. We can diagnose the congenital anomaly prenatally by ultrasonography, maternal serum screening like alpha-fetoprotein. The alpha-protein level is increased in some congenital anomaly, for example, neural tube defect, omphalocele, gastroschisis, bladder exstrophy, and alpha-fetoprotein is decreased in some clinical conditions in Down syndrome, trisomy 18. And another two diagnosis process, the amniocentesis and chorionic villi sampling, these are able to diagnose congenital anomaly. So this is all about teratogenesis. If you like this video, please press the like button and please subscribe my channel.